What's happening, folks? We're going ride! PT comes soon. Pause. Alright guys, what's going on, man? Back out here at the old crib down here in Memphis. Out here with Pat. Look, man, Friendsgiving. Gonna get a little action.
Old man.
Daddy, you done? I dropped the wheel out this thing, baby! Get out one time! Hey, your clutch is smoking a little bit, bud. Because I was on the brake. What? Blood, sweat, and tears. Hurry, come on! What happened there, Lieutenant Dan? I got no legs. It's out of gas. Out of gas a little bit. And we're back at this. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Break that down, make it in slow motion. Man, dude. Let me tell you, if this ain't what you're supposed to do on a Sunday afternoon, man, I don't know what is then. So look at that. We even got the girls out here. Look, we got Daniels riding the Audi. He figuring out what it's about. Nick figuring out what that little go-kart about. With the brewski in his hand. Know what I'm talking about. Know what I'm talking about.
You can never be kidding me. I keep a Glock for the nigga that's 6 feet deep in the dirt. That boy 6 feet sliding and riding.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Where were you going? Where were you going? I don't know. Alright, look, this is the short bus, okay? The Can-Am Outlander XMR 1000 is the short bus. And we got 4 kids that are dedicated to resource and one-on-one time with your teachers to learn the alphabet. 4 kids. That's the 4th one. That's right. That's right. Look, now you say we have helmets in the comments. Oh, I wait for the comments. But bad publicity is good publicity. So anyway, with that being said, just how the words was that come out of my mouth, I said it, was,
Devin, it's not YouTube.
We're safe.
Oh my Lanta. You alright?
I'm good. Power.
Damn, you good?
Power.
Lean with it, rock.
Lean with it. Rock with it. How did that happen?
I tried stepping over.
Paul, you work with. Hold on, time out. Pop.
FBI.
FBI.
Found me immediately.
Oh. Oh, the Honda that could.
And we having that shit, it's just send me before I snitch, I tell them I'm guilty. I whip pussy, feel like Uncle Willie, that hoe, I don't talk to the bitch like a Willie. Most of these niggas just pussy, they fear me, I fear
The go-kart beat him.
Talking all hard on
Slow ass Cam.
I'm ready to hide your clip on the scene. All of them bitches slaughtered. I want all them bitches dead. Ain't no monkey in the middle. Monkeys catch one to the head. Try to set me up. I'm putting that Draco out between your legs. So I switch that trigger. Put your flip out your head on the bed. I never think with my dick, think with my clock, trust in my aim. He let a baby set him up. His ass is dead shine. 50 shots out through it. Back left from later with bed stains.
Yeah, boy.
We loyalty over everything. Swear since I lost a nigga, I've been getting high as I can. Percocet, walk hard, exotic, exotic. With it too much for one man. Standing on business, taking whatever come with the plan. I'ma stick with the plan, taking whatever come with it. Dirty the murder man, I'ma send shots at your fitted. I been on drop a bag on one, everybody gon' get it. BK, I drop a million on the whole community. Hey,
no matter who for me, now they reposting me. Bad bitches open the door for me, show for me. Talking about a couple $100,000, I'm cool, but it's too low, I'm straight. You fool with the unstoppable approach, man. Nigga ain't no like saying I go for me. Every on my nigga, you so can me. We ain't CEO, ain't got no nigga over me. Ain't like 5 niggas, I'm cool with all them.
Alright, time trials. We gotta walk the whole course. We're gonna set out cones. Everybody's gonna have to go around their cone. That way nobody can cut the track short. And we're gonna have a starting spot, and our end spot's gonna be over here. So whenever you come back around the house, you'll stop here, but we'll start right next to the shed.
You go. What place you coming in, Devin?
Last.
Last.
That's second, right? Because first is Barry and second is Joe.
So we're gonna start somewhere in here. Right in here somewhere.
Put 2 cones out.
No, we'll move the skid steer first. We're just gonna walk it so everybody knows. And we're gonna set the shit out.
He said it was back there, but I don't see back there because I don't see cones. Shit, we're still in imagination phase right here, I guess.
Yep.
Walt Disney over here, fucking cartoon characters.
Pixar.
Pixar. Dude, that little lamp that crushes the eye gets me every time, you know it?
All right. So
Yeah.
this is gonna be the first turn into the woods.
All right.
You gotta go around the cones.
Yeah. Outside's over here. Outside over here. Outside cone.
This is going into the woods?
This is where you're gonna come in.
All right, so look, we're coming straight from over there by the skid steer. Right in this way.
Those are scuffles with my dog's feet. Go boy, see ya.
All right, you're gonna come down. You're gonna take this outside lane right here.
All right.
The outside lane.
Put one blocking that off. That's a no-go.
Well, dude, please flip that over. Gotta have good family bonding time. There you go. All right.
That's the no-go spot.
There you go. Give him a run down into here.
All right. So once you come up here, put some cones right here.
Now we need big cones.
All right, so we're going from, what is the end of
Put a big cone right here that you have to go around.
Is the end of the timer gonna be when you come off the tabletops?
No, you're gonna go. I think we're gonna make
There needs to be a film point right here because you can see in the woods.
All right. So then it's gonna be tabletop right here. That's probably actually good. When you come off the tabletop, that's when we'll stop
Hey,
time.
when you come off the
Look.
We're gonna put 2 cones side by side, so that way. When
Look,
they cross
time
that-
when you pass that tree. When you pass the pine.
The stop has to be back at the start. You gotta round it, so you gotta go that way around the
Nah,
shed and back where you started.
nah, you just finish it right here.
In a racetrack, you do not start and finish in two different places. It's the same spot as where you started.
It doesn't matter.
This ain't a racetrack.
It's time trial.
You're not a racetrack. You're already in second place, you idiot.
Look, we could come around over here.
Which knee is it, huh? Which knee is it?
My right one, my right knee.
Fuck that knee up.
Hey, look, Pat, you know what this means? If we move the start line up to the edge of the shed, me and you could do it on the bikes.
Yeah, we could.
Because that stays all in the back.
Yeah.
And that would keep us from rutting up your middle yard.
All right, I say we pull the truck up.
And the
We move the skid steer. You come around the fire, and you start where that fucking pipe is sticking out of the ground.
Yeah.
And that's where you're gonna fucking stop.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Let's get into it. All right. So look, I just ran this course that we got set up here, right? I ran that bitch in 35 seconds. Now Pat's on my bike. Let's see what he runs. Look, he gonna come out. There we go. Hold on. First try. What'd I get?
35.
What'd he get?
36.
Ah! Ride that bitch. Can't even see. Oh no, he's got people on the track. People on the track. Go ahead, hit it again for the video.
Yeah, turn it up. Tommy's busted.
Do I got the what? Do I got the what, Paul?
Another shot. Another shot. Let's do it. Hey, you want to take a shot? You want to take a shot? Come on, take a shot with your boy. Come on, take a shot with your boy. Want to take a shot? Let's take a shot with my boy. Yeah. I didn't say that to a woman, but fuck that bitch.
Oh shit. He go. He go. He go. Dude, he go. Oh my God. How did he get out the garage so fast, bro?
He out of there.
Out of there.
Out of there.
Dude, look at that horse over there.
Come on down.
You see the fucking...
Oh my God! Look at the fucking dog.
Don't get washed up, get comfortable. Spend some money, man. Oh my God. There he go.
I hear the dirty south. I lost you.
Oh, he's over there in the street. No cap, I think he's stuck.
Oh, he's back there. Look at him.
Yeah, he back there. He riding. Yeah, yeah.
fucking get dragged by a damn go-kart on your Can-Am.
You might fall over. Yeah, whatever.
Don't get washed up, get caught. It's funny, baby.
Oh,
Smoking turkey, 225 degrees. Now he doing 2,500 degrees on a damn go-kart. Ah!
Hey! You can only make left turns. If you make a right turn, it's gonna dig in the thing and you're gonna oop-de-oop. So right turns only.
we need to fix that.
You know how you fix that?
Oh my.
That be off there.
Hey, you'll get a shirt and a rim on one of them big jobs. One of them big jobs.
Walk that bitch, cuz.
Walked it.
You can do it. Come on with it. There you go.
Fall off the side over here.
Fuck yeah. Oh, I gotta get a picture of this. Hold on. Oh.
Oh, shit.
Happy Friendsgiving 2023. When it's like 2043, flip the script and it's like going into 42.
Yes, sir.
We're going to be rocking it.
Yes, sir. And a happy birthday to Mr. Jackson.
Yeah, how old are you, kid?
Whoop, whoop. How old are you?
What? What? No.
Devin. Devin. What you do with that shirt, bruh?
Patrick fucking got rough and got handsy and ripped my shirt off my body. I'm gonna call HR, you know, I'm gonna call human resources for this sexual assault I've gotten.
That's such an offense.
There he
Gotta-
is. There he is.
There,
There's that
there he is.
fuck shit. He's getting it.
Whose truck is that?
Clean ass truck, bro.
Whose?
That Silverado.
That's what
right
I'm
there.
No,
asking you.
It's not mine, but it's
Skylar's.
Who the
Skylar's.
fuck is Skylar?
The dude on the Honda.
Oh, okay. Did you get the
Dude, I was so confused.